For the last session syllabus, we went through the assignment and then we started assessing. So on the 9th of November, we looked at assessing record keeping, assessing for speaking, assessing for listening, assessing for reading, assessing for writing. So we looked at different ways of assessing for ESL teachers. And we have videos that they can look at. So which type of assessment tool is used to determine whether or not students understand an objective? We work out is analytical checklist. And this one we know if you're teaching pilots English, you want to find out what they know first, where the gaps are, it's diagnostic. And which of the following describes an assessment tool that consists of objective written observations. So that's, if it's observational, then it's anecdotal. So I went through all these and then I gave them the answers and I sent them the video and then we looked at the answers for that. And then we have writing with the quiz and then sent them as the answers for that too. And then we looked at the actual textbook. We talked about high stakes and low stakes. Assessing, saying that high stakes are important ones like IELTS and low stakes might be a quiz. And we looked at formal and non-formal. So you can be assessed in a summative way, which is formal, or formative just as along the way, like a quiz or just teacher listening anecdotal notes. We talked about evaluating teachers assessing. So we do the evaluating meetings, cross-validation. So if you bring in one test you've marked another teacher as well, we check that we both get the same grade. And we talked about how we can assess observing, which is the anecdotal notes, directly or indirectly. And also we can use third-party reports. So if someone says something, they're doing a practicum and someone else observes them, not me. And what they've actually produced, the output, like an essay, and question answers, oral presentation. So all these are examples of evidence. And we will continue next week with assessment. That's what we did on the 7th of November.